Hey everyone, John Struckman here from Pro Approach Bowling, and today I wanted to talk about why you should clean, sand, or polish your bowling ball depending on which bowling ball it is. I'm going to be bowling California State Tournament, and I thought I'd share a few helpful tips on how to better prepare your bowling balls for any tournament condition or even your league. If you haven't had your bowling ball cleaned in a while, sanded or polished, head to your local pro shop because your bowling ball is probably dirty and it's not going to curve and react the way that you're looking for. So here's what I'm going to do for California State Tournament. The optimum idle, I'm going to give a full resurface. I'm going to start fresh. I've been using this ball a lot. It's been really great in my bag. I'm going to start with 180 grit, 360, 500, and finish it at 1000 Abralon. I'm going to go ahead and get that done. And then with the phase 2 here, I'm going to just do a light sand, meaning I'll start at 500, 1000, and 2000. That 2000 finish will get the ball a little further down the lane. It hopefully won't hook quite as early as the optimum idle, and I'll have two different types of bowling balls to use. Now, as far as my spare ball, I want this thing to go nice and straight. I'm going to do a light sand at this at 4000, get some of the oil and lines off of the bowling ball, and then finish it with React-A-Gloss or React-A-Shine finish because I want this ball to go nice and straight. So to be a little more in depth here, there's different types of ball maintenance for your bowling ball that you might want to consider. You might want to just clean your bowling ball, sand your bowling ball, or polish your bowling ball depending on what your bowling ball needs to be doing on the lane. Maybe you just want to get the dirt and grime off of your bowling ball. You might want to consider a Storm React-A-Clean to just go ahead and get all of that surface oil off the bowling ball. You may want to change the cover stock characteristic, for example, on the optimum idle, so that it'll hook sooner. You might want to check out your local pro shop and ask if that's a good suggestion depending on the lane condition you're bowling on. Or you may want to do just the opposite and polish your bowling ball to make it go straight and or have more back-end reaction. Again, different types of ball maintenance is very important for your bowling ball. Head to your local pro shop or stop by any of our Southern California Pro Approach bowling stores to find out what your bowling ball needs. If you're interested in any bowling ball reviews or tips, check out the links above.